In this video, we're going to look at the Design section. In the Design tab, you can create your own content using the built-in designer. So, let's create our first campaign. First, on the Design page, click Create Design from Scratch. Choose the screen orientation, Portrait or Landscape. Then click New Blank Design and click Create. This has created a blank canvas. Let's add a shape. Click on Shapes. Click on the rectangle. Resize it to half of the screen and drag it to the right. Let's change its color to light purple. Next, let's add an image. Click on Image. This pop-up box is asking for an image. We can either browse an image we've already uploaded or drag and drop our own from our computer. I'm going to drag in the M2 image logo and place it on the left and make it a bit larger. Next, let's add a background from the stock images library. Click on Free Stock Images. Find one you like and click Use on Template. You can even use a video as your background if you wish by clicking here and uploading your own video or selecting one you've already uploaded. Next, let's add a product. So click on Image again. Simply drag and drop another image from your computer. Drag it to where you would like it displayed and resize it if you wish. Next, let's add some text. Click on the Text button. Type in the box that pops up and drag it to where it needs to go. At the top, you have the option to change font, font size, the line height, font color, the transparency, the alignment, the box border, and you can even upload your own fonts. As before, you can resize the text by clicking and dragging. Each element you add has a lock icon. This will lock it into place. You can also lock and unlock elements in the Layers tab here. The Layers section also lets you rearrange objects. As an example, let's move the logo we added at the start over to our product. See how it's behind the product? We can fix that in the Layers panel. Click on the three dots next to the logo and click Bring to Front. Now the logo is on top of the product. You can do this by right-clicking on any element on the canvas. And you can also easily add videos, lines, and other shapes in exactly the same way that we've just done. Now, let's look at some of the more fancy design options we have at hand. Click on Dynamic Widget. Here, we can add a clock, today's date, the current weather, some HTML for all you coders, an image slideshow, a website, a YouTube video, a Facebook Live video, some scrolling text, a QR code, a text slideshow, and lastly, an RSS feed. They all work in a similar way. Once you choose a dynamic widget, a box will show up asking for a link where relevant, or you'll get asked to input the text for scrolling text, or the text slideshow, for example. Then you simply resize it and drag it where you want. You can adjust the settings at the top of the screen. Once you've designed your campaign, click on Save. Let's save this as a template so we can use it again in the future instead of starting on a blank canvas. Name the template. Then click Save.